So the question is, find the Laplace transform x of s and sketch the pole zero part with ROC. ROC means region of convergence. For the following signal, first signal is x of t is equal to e power minus 3 u of t plus e power minus 5t u of t. So if I want to take the Laplace of x of t, that is nothing but x of s. So you know the formula, right? E power minus 3t is 1 divided by s plus 3. Okay, so s plus 3 I can write it as s of minus 3, right? So this minus 3 is here, right? E power minus 3t. Plus likewise I can write it as this one as 1 divided by s plus 5. Okay, so if I solve, I will get s plus 5. If we take the Laplace transform, if I cross multiply this one, we will get s plus 5 plus s plus 3. S plus 3 into s plus 5. So if I solve, I will get 2s plus 8 divided by s plus 3 into s plus 5. So this is my Laplace transform x of s value. So and they are asked to plot the pole zero plot, right? Sketch the pole zero plot. So here if I solve this one, I will get s is equal to minus 3, and if I equate this denominator to 0, I will get s is equal to minus 5. Okay. So in the plot you can see this must be like this. This is minus 5 and this is minus 3 for the s plane, right? So this is nothing but so since they have given this one as u of t of t means from it, since it is from u of t, so you have to write it, we have to draw it from minus 3. Okay, so this is my region of convergence. So this portion is called as ROS, region of convergence. So this I can write it as region of convergence of s. S must be greater than or greater than minus 3. Okay. So here you can see this minus 5 and minus 5 and minus 3 is called as pole, since it is in the denominator. So if it is in the left hand side, okay, left hand side, then the system is called as stable system. Stable system. Okay, so if it is on the left hand side means it is a stable system. And here you can see since region of convergence is like this, and minus 3 and minus 5 is at the left hand side of the ROC. Since the pole minus 5 and minus 3 is at the left hand side of ROC. Okay, so this is my ROC, and minus 3 and minus 5 is at the left hand side of ROC. So it is called as causal signal. Both minus 5 and minus 3. Okay, it is called as a causal signal. Okay. Okay, next let me go for the next problem. So here they are given it as x of t is equal to e power minus 4t and e power. So this is my problem. Okay, so if I take x of s. So x of s I can write it as 1 divided by s plus 4 plus 1 divided by s plus 3. Okay. So this I can write it as s plus 4 plus s plus 3 divided by s plus 4 into s plus 3. So this is equal to 2s plus 7 divided by s plus 4 into s plus 3. So here the pole values are s is equal to minus 4 and minus 3, right? So let us draw this one. So this is my minus 4 and this is my minus 3. So here they are given since minus 4 of t is u of t, so I have to draw it the ROC from here, right? So this is my ROC, okay, from minus 4. And say since it is for e power minus 3t, it is given as u of minus t. So the u of minus t means the ROC you have to draw it from 3, you have to draw it at the left hand side. Okay, so this is how my region of convergence region must be like this only. So you can see region of convergence of S is from minus 4 to minus 3. So here minus 4 is causal signal, right? Whereas minus 3 is non-causal signal. But you can see both minus 4 and minus 3 at the left hand side of the plane. So it is stable. Okay. So next let me go for the third problem. They given x of t is equal to u of t. Let me change this problem to some other value so that you can understand all the problems. Okay, let me solve this problem first. Okay, so I can write the x of s value. X of s is equal to 1 divided by s plus 3 plus 1 divided by s plus 4. So the answer is 2s plus 7 divided by s plus 3 into s plus 4. So the pole is s is equal to minus 3 and minus 4. So it is stable, right? So it is stable. And if I want to plot you can see this is minus 4 and this is minus 3. So u of t. Since it is u of t, you have to draw it the ROC like this, right? So the ROC must be like this. And for e power minus 4t, the u of t must be from here, right? It should be at the left hand side. So these type of ROC is not existed, right? ROC. So we can't write like this, right? So the x of s doesn't exist. Right? Since this ROC don't have overlap. Okay. So these type of ROC will not exist. And so here you can see the s is equal to minus 4 is non-causal. Since this ROC is itself not existing, we can't find this it is a causal or not. Okay. Let me change this same question and a different values. Okay, with the different values. So instead of this, suppose if I take this one also is equal to u of minus t. Now I can write, right, x of s is equal to 1 divided by s plus 3 plus 1 divided by s plus 4. This is equal to 2s plus 7 divided by s plus 3 into s plus 4. So s is equal to minus 4 and minus 3. These are my poles, right? So now I can draw the region of convergence. So this is minus 4 and minus 3. So since this has to be at the left hand side, I can draw like this, right? So now I can tell it is a stable, and I can tell the minus 4 and minus 3 is non-causal signal, because minus 4 and minus 3 at the left hand side of arrows, right hand side of arrows, because minus 4 and minus 3 is at the right hand side of arrows. So I can write RE of S is less than or less than minus 4. Okay. So this is how you have to plot this, have to solve this problem. So now let us go for another problem. They have given h of s value is equal to this one, and they are asked to find the h of t value, assuming the system is causal and the system is stable. Okay. So for this one, you have to take the partial fraction, right? So this denominator, I can write it like this. So I can write a plus s plus 1 plus b divided by s plus 1 the whole square. Okay. So how to find the a value? So a is equal to, say I have to multiply s plus 1 with 2s minus 1 divided by s plus 1 plus s plus 1. Otherwise, can solve like this. Okay. A into s plus 1 plus b divided by s plus 1 the whole square. That is equal to 2s minus 1 divided by s plus 1 the whole square. So, can equate the numerator as plus a plus b. So, if I solve only if I take the s term alone, I will get a is equal to 2, right? If I term the constant term, I can write a plus b is equal to minus 1. So, since a is equal to 2, we will get minus 1 minus 2, that is equal to minus 3. So, you substitute it here, you will get 2 divided by s plus 1 minus 3 divided by s plus 1 the whole square. Okay. So, if I take the Laplace inverse of h of s, I will get 2 into e power minus t, e power minus t u of t minus 3t into e power minus t e of t. Okay. So, see here the s is equal to minus 1, right? So, here you can see the s is equal to minus 1. since it is u of t, I can draw the x of t values like this. Since both are u of both are e power minus t, I can write this is a minus 1 here, and since it is both are u of t, so I can draw like this. Okay, so since minus 1 is at the left hand side of the ROC, right? So the region of convergence is greater than minus 1, right? Region of convergence is greater than minus 1. So it is causes signal, and since the minus 1 is at the left hand side of the origin, so it is a stable signal. Okay, thank you.